Welcome back to my channel. This is Janvi and you are watching Study with Janvi channel. So in today's session I am going to make you learn how to add highlight to your cursor. So search mouse settings and here you can find advanced mouse options. So I'll be highlighting. So if you just click on advanced mouse options, you can find the pointers option. I'm zooming it, so just click on that. So you will be having the default highlight options as such, but you cannot find the highlighter like to the cursor highlighting. So to that, let's do one thing. So I'll be coming back. Open your Google Chrome. So when you open your Google Chrome, you search for real world graphics. Once again I'm repeating, real world graphics. So if you search on that, you can find a website. So I will be giving the link in the description box to be easy for you. So this was the website. So if you wanted to go, you can go through the description box. Okay, so here you can find the gallery options. I'll be zooming it. If you just click on gallery, in that gallery you can find number of cursor options. So these all are like you can keep it like sword. So these all type of cursors were there, but we are expecting that highlight to the cursor. So I'm searching for highlight cursor. So type as highlight cursor and search for it. So you can find a number of highlighting cursors. So you can see number of colors or being for the cursors. So if you scroll down, you will be having an n number of cursors. So you can easily download it and you can use it. So I'll be showing you that how to use it also. So select any one of the cursor here. Okay, if you just scroll down again, you will be having lots and lots of cursors. Okay, so I'm just going down and I wanted to select one cursor. So in this I have already selected a few cursors. So you can see this was the cursor that I have already downloaded, but for your reference to be clear, so I'll be downloading this cursor again. So just click on download, and after downloading you'll be getting this panel automatically. So just copy all these, click on Ctrl C and go for Windows option, and here you just click on again Windows, and in Windows you can find cursors file. I'll be zooming it. So just click on cursors and paste those all things. So click on Ctrl V. So these all files will be pasted over there. And now if you come back and search again for mouse settings, so yes, if you just click on it, you will be having again the additional mouse options. Go to pointers as before, and here you can see the browse option. I'll just zoom it. So just click on browse option. In browse option you will be having all the files that you have downloaded previously. So go down, you can find a number of files that you have downloaded. So this was the previous one that I have downloaded, yellow highlight. So if you just go through keenly, you will be finding. So you can see purple, red highlight. So these all were the things that I have downloaded. You can also see the orange highlight. So, and if you go back, see I have downloaded all these things, right? These all things were also available in this. So for a reference, I'll be just clicking on one thing. So green highlight, I'll be just clicking on apply. So the thing will be applied and you can see the difference to the cursor. It was highlighting, right? If you wanted to change the color, again go to advanced mouse options, go to pointers and select any other color highlighting. So I'll be selecting yellow highlight. So I like it, obviously it will be very classic. So just click on OK and click on OK and apply. So this would be the highlight cursor. So hope it is helpful. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.